Look, look. We all know. I know some of y'all love chicken and rice. That's what's on the menu tonight. Chicken and rice. But get this. That's not the... Get this. I did a chicken and rice video a while back, right? Some person had the audacity to try to tell me what kind of seasoning to use in my chicken and rice meal. And that I should just use something and a lot of salt. Quote his words. Get the fuck out of here. In this house, I'm going to make my chicken and rice the way I want to make my chicken and rice. So shut your goddamn face and keep strolling, bro. I'm going with the jasmine and fragrant Thai rice today, bro. I love this rice, okay? I haven't cleaned the chicken yet. So that's in the task to do. So let me get this shit cleaned up real quick. Alright, y'all. I just got finished cleaning all this goddamn chicken. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to add some chicken bouillon. We're going to go ahead and add some pepper to this bitch. Pepper. Onion powder, okay? Oh, this is seasonal, by the way. Alright, garlic salt. Bam. This is optional, okay? This is steak seasoning, but you can also use this on everything else. So I just like to use a little bit of it. And I also got a little bit of butter, okay? Bam. So after you're done doing all that shit, you go ahead and throw your lid. Get the fucking lid. Bam. You're done. Let that bitch boil for about a good 2 hours, and you'll be good to go. Alright, y'all. This chicken been on for like an hour and 20 minutes. This is almost done. I like to boil my chicken for about 2 hours. And I'm also going to make some broccoli, man. I had got a lot of referrals. When I posted the video last time, a lot of people said, won't you add some vegetables? Won't you add some vegetables? So I'm going to add some vegetables this time, okay? Chicken and broccoli. Yeah, chicken and rice and broccoli. Bam, this gonna be so good, y'all. Watch, I'm trying to tell y'all, man. You cannot go wrong with this meal, bro. Alright, y'all. This chicken is done, man. It is... Oh, look at that. Let me put this top. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. And we got the broccoli steaming up. But, yeah, man. Once your chicken get done, I got me a plate here. So I'm just going to take the chicken and just get all the meat. Separate the meat from the bones and all that shit. So I'll show y'all in a minute. Alright, like I was trying to say, you want to debone the chicken, right? So I normally leave some of my juice in the pot. So these normally have... I normally get this shit out like this vein. I normally get that shit up out of there. And it has a knuckle here.
Give it the Coco.
Yeah, Coco will love this. And it has a bone. And that's about it. And it has 2 knuckles and a bone. So that's it. Bam. Well, yeah, joint. 2 knuckles, a joint, and a vein. Yeah. So you can want to do that with all your chicken. All right, y'all. I deboned all the chicken. That's all the bones. This is all that good, juicy meat, and I kept the chicken juiced where we bought the chicken and all that. So we're gonna take this and dump that in there. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, because y'all know when you boil chicken, it makes its own chicken broth. Y'all know that, right? Look at that. Look at that juicy, flavory chicken. All right, now we're going to get the rice in there. We're going to add that good rice. Oh, this is what? The jasmine rice. If y'all forgot what this was. Good old jasmine rice. You can't go wrong with chicken and rice. You just can't go wrong, man. I know a lot of my viewers grew up on this shit. Alright, now we're just gonna go ahead and add some good old broccoli. A lot of people in my video in the comments like, why don't you add some greens? Why don't you add some greens? So I'm adding greens this time. Alright, y'all, I'm making my plate. I am hungry. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, son. Oh, yeah. Let me get some with some broccoli. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me get a bite. Leave me alone. Asshole. Yeah, I knew you would do that on purpose.
See how stupid Let me see how dumb you look. Yeah, you look dumb as hell.
All right, man. I'm gonna smash, man. Peace out.